Hello and welcome back to Biker Stuff. Today I've been asked to show you an Aftershokz Aeropex headphone set. As always, I don't get paid for promoting products on my channel, and therefore my opinions are my own. Now, these won't be suitable for riding your motorbike, but you will have other situations that they will be perfect. They are primarily designed for sports and are the only headphones approved for road races. Sit back and enjoy. Let me unpack the headphones and see what you get for your money. Okay, here are the headphones. You get a really nice silicone rubber case to store them in, 2 charge cables, earplugs for use in safe environments, and importantly, some instructions. For your information, the colours available are Lunar Grey, Cosmic Black, Blue Eclipse and Solar Red. Okay, a few details I need to tell you about. Aftershokz Aeropex are wireless bone conduction headphones. They have an 8-hour battery life, lots of music and phone calls, and they weigh only 26 grams. They are waterproof but not recommended for swimming. Now, touching back to the wireless bone conduction, this sends sound through vibrations up the cheekbones and to your ears. This means open ear comfort. There is nothing inside or over your ears, giving you complete awareness. They are safe, comfortable and hygienic. Next, charging. This headset is charged by a USB magnetic charging cable. I love these. Okay, all charged up. Next thing I need to do is the Bluetooth pairing. Right, well, the instructions are really easy to follow, so I'm all rigged up, I'm ready to go, and it's brilliant. It really sounds so different. Nothing like any headphones I've ever worn before, and as you can probably tell, I'm just speaking normally. I can hear everything going on around me, but I can still listen to my great music. Yeah, really, really good. And they're really secure. I don't feel like they're gonna fall off or anything. No, it's brilliant. I really, really like them. Now, if you need an idea for a present, maybe Christmas, take a trip to the website. I will put a link in the description, plus a discount code that you can use. Thank you for joining me. You know you liked it, so tell your friends and I'll see you here next time on Biker Stuff.